to my channel. It's been so long. I know really inconsistent, but like a lot is going on, and I'm in my final year of my masters, and it's just been really hectic, which is why there have been like gaps, long gaps. Anyway, this was something that I was so excited about, so I had to film this, guys. So my birthday was last month on the 30th, and today is the 31st of May, and my birthday gift finally got here, and it is the James Charles. It's the mini one. Hi sisters, I am so flipping excited about this. Like, I have been so happy the entire day yesterday. It got here yesterday,
but I had like really bad hair yesterday, so I thought I'd shoot it tomorrow. Which is why I did not do anything about it yesterday. So
we're gonna do it today. I wanna try it out. I'm dying to try it out. It's this. Okay, I don't want to take too long. I was just about to finish up my base. Let me finish it and then we'll open this. I'm back with my base done. I also did my brows a little bit. I am so excited. Let's begin. So this is the packaging for the beautiful James Charles, and we're gonna open it. It comes in bubble wrap. This is the actual packaging, so pretty good. Stay safe during transfer. You guys, that's our little Morphe James Charles mini palette. We're gonna open it. Let's open it for you. It's so beautiful, you guys. Just look. Here it says unleash your inner artist. Now I know I'm not some like genius at all this, because I recently started learning makeup, but it's actually beautiful, and the minute you see it you really want to do like, I want to use all the colors. So I'm like a kid on Christmas today, so let's begin. Okay, we're gonna start by priming the eyes. We don't have a primer, so I'm gonna be using a concealer. We're all concealed and ready to go in. I don't really know what I want to do, so also I had like crazy ideas, okay, about what should I do in this video, but practically speaking I don't think it's gonna work out. Okay, let's begin. Today we don't need this because there's a mirror in here. Let's begin. Okay, first we're gonna take the hair behind because mama needs to work. So guys, the thing is, I want to like do something with this, so I'm gonna try. If it doesn't work out, I'll just have to like clean out my entire eye. Fingers crossed, hope for the best. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this bright orange shade right here. Something he said about his pressed pigments is that they work best when you just pack them on instead of actually trying to like blend them off, because that's just how they work, because they are literally pressed pigments. They're not eyeshadows, they don't do well when you try to blend them. This is what I'm getting with the eyeshadow brush. I also want to try how it works with my hand, because it's so much brighter on the pan than it's on my eye. Also it could be because we have like pigmented eyes even with a primer. Let's see. I'm just placing this in the center. I don't see much of a difference. This is definitely a little brighter, but I think I'm gonna go to like make it brighter in the end, and I'll just apply for now. It's actually so bright. It's looking more like yellow than it's looking like orange, I must say. Like it's a mustardy color more than orange, but it's beautiful. I think this is the max pigmentation I'm gonna get out of it on a bare hand. Anyway, so that was our bright orange, or what it was supposed to be. There's a lot of fallout on the pan because of the formulation, but like I don't care about that. There's no fallout on my face, which is really exciting because I think I realized recently that Huda Beauty has like so much fallout. Like I have the rose gold palette and I got it with like so much excitement and hopes, and all of that went to shit because I realized that so much fallout. Like, dude, I get if pressed pigments have like a lot of fallout, but Huda's, like even the eyeshadows, like all of them, massive fallout. Like if I have to put on, they're beautiful eyeshadows, no doubt, they look beautiful, they blend beautiful, but your face has a lot of fallout. So like with Huda, like I don't mind doing my eyes first and then doing my base, but it's just that you have to keep that in mind. These are also pressed pigments, and trust me, there's like a lot of fallout on the pan. Let me show it to you. Like, let me see. Let me try to take a video with my phone. Maybe you'll be able to see it better. Also, like people don't mind fallout because like you can just clean it out with a brush in the end. Like any fluffy brush, you can just clean it out with that. But I personally have issues with it, so. Okay, for the inner corner, I want to go in with a bright yellow down at the bottom. I think all of these are pressed pigments. Not. Okay, there's some fallout on the face. Sorry, Huda. Maybe these would look brighter, like on somebody who's like more fair, much more fairer, or if I use like a white eye shadow base. I really need to use a white eyeshadow base because I really wanna see how these look. So I will eventually order it, you guys. I think I'm gonna. The colors are blending into each other so beautifully. Like, see, do you see that? Like, I don't even have to like blend them together. They're looking blended together, which is kind of beautiful. Now I want to try my finger on the other eye to see if the yellow forms better. Oh my lord, you see that? How much more brighter it is? So let's just go with the brush for now. And to top it off, like to make it brighter, we're gonna use the finger. Okay, there's definitely fallout, especially from the yellow. I just came at Huda Beauty for like no reason. This is the same, guys. Okay, so people normally do like really different orders, like the one eye first and then the other eye, but I just like to do it like together so that there's some consistency to what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do my lower lash. Oh mama, this red is bright. Do you see that? Do you see that? How bright this red is? Like, dude, I'm kind of scared that I don't want to ruin this look, but like, okay. Whoa, that's fiery red. Like with the red, I can't really see the in between the orange. Oh shoot, like I should have done a little less. I ruined it. Should have done it a little more on the edges instead of more in the center. Shit. Okay, there's gonna be some erasing. We gotta fix this. We can fix this. We're gonna fix this because I want to get this right. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so damage control and massive fallout. Okay, lesson learned. Do your eyes first and then your base, girls. Oh guys, okay, we're going in with this again and we're just packing it in the center because that's what I want to do. Okay, so this is literally going to crap, so I'm just gonna remove the red eyeshadow. Okay, damage control in action. A little primer for the eyes. Okay, we're back. It's under control. we're back with our orange. We have it in place. I think it's kind of fun to show you mess ups as well, because like every video you watch, it's so perfect, and it's like a little intimidating that do I suck, or like is this easy for other people? Why am I so shitty at it? Okay, we're sort of there. We're gonna clean it up so it'll look neat, don't worry. Does it look blended? I don't know, I'm still confused, but it does look pretty neat. Like the red is so pretty, you guys. Oh gosh, massive fallout. Do you see that? Lesson learned. Never doing my face first. I know it looks like complete shit right now, but we're gonna fix it. So I think it's time to clean up the eyes a little bit. So I have cleaned the eyes, and this is what it looks like right now. I want to do a white line on top of this, but Anushka has said that I should wet the brush, so that's what's happened. So guys, we have some eyeliner on. I think this is pretty good, like for a first attempt at something like this. Like, just look, dude, I'm super impressed with myself. Tears. Okay, so let's get some mascara on, a little bit of blush. Actually, I had blush on earlier, but then I was cleaning up, then things happened. Let's not get into it. So I had to put a little more of my base back on, which is why there was a little loss of the flush. Shut up, bird, shut up. I'm sorry. Anushka did my eyeliner because I suck at eyeliner. Like, I suck at it so bad. Like, I've been trying to do eyeliner since the past 2 years. I've just been trying and just not succeeding. Like, I'm that bad at it. Got some color, plain base. Anyway, like a little flushed face. So people bronze, I blush. People bronze their entire face, I blush my entire face. I don't want the warmth, I want the pink flush, which is very natural to my face. Like, it's how my face is. I'm very red and flushed all the time, so I like that. Gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter, just a little, not much. A little bit on the nose, a little bit on the Cupid's bow. I really like this highlighter because it's like very nice and like gentle, but it can look streaky. Like, you can build it up, which is what I like about it. And plus it's like a very cute flushed pink color, and that's just beautiful. So guys, this is the final look with the palette. I'm super proud. I made a little montage with the original song, which, like, it's not a song, but it's like a segment of music which came out with the palette's intro video. By me, because I did it. I'm so fucking proud. because I've been so scared. Like, not scared, I've been learning, so I've not really been good at it. So it took a while to get into the groove, and now I feel a little confident of trying out things that I want to do. And I have had a loss of words because I had such a fun afternoon playing with this and making this. The palette is beautiful, totally worth it. Like, so this is the look I created. I am so happy with it. So that's it. That's all I want to say right now, and that was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I really enjoyed this. I was so happy I filmed after so long. So guys, this is it. This is me. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.